some pieces composed exclusively of arteries. So here, for example, you can see a hand, and of course you need to find, for example, the radial artery, and you can argue it's a bit harder to see, but you can discern the radial artery coming down there. Meanwhile, to the side, in the other piece, in the legs, because the arteries are larger, it's actually much easier to see. In the lower limbs, you can see the aorta branching into the iliac arteries. So in the lumbar region, the aorta branches into the common iliac arteries, and then here in the pelvis, the common iliac arteries branch into the internal and external iliac arteries. Since we are going for the limbs here, we are following the external ones. So after crossing under the inguinal ligaments, they become the femoral arteries, which go down and kind of go around the femur and through the adductor hiatus, at which point they become the popliteal arteries, and then behind the knee, they split into the fibular and anterior and posterior tibial arteries. This is a very artistic model, and it's pretty if you already know what you're looking at, but if you don't already know the structures, it's easier to learn from a schematic. But it is a beautiful piece nevertheless. That must be the reason why they decided to make one out of a duck. So yes, they are not exclusively focused on human bodies, and it's pretty much the same idea. I have no idea about the anatomy of a duck. But duck aside, this is the main piece of this room. And of course, they like to make it very artistic, so they've placed her on a swing, and they've placed other swings here which you can actually see it onto. Kind of implies she's just one of the many people here playing. Contrary to the Tyruses still alive, however,